Hi friends, this video shows how to change keyboard from Gboard to LeanKey Keyboard. So let me check current keyboard. Open the search field. See, this is a current keyboard. This is a Gboard. So I'm going to change this. First go to apps, search. Let me search for keyboard. Then let me install this Lean Keyboard. I already installed. Then go to home screen, go to settings, go to system, keyboard, then go to manage keyboards. Here you can see that newly installed keyboard, Lean Keyboard. Enable it. Okay, then go back to current keyboard. Here you can see two options, Gboard and Lean Keyboard. Here we have to enable Lean Keyboard. Done. Then go to home screen, open search. Here you can see the new keyboard. So this way we can change keyboard from Gboard to Lean Keyboard. If you want to revert this and go back to Gboard, again go to settings, system, keyboard, manage keyboard and disable Lean Keyboard. That's all. It will automatically switch to Gboard. Let me test. Go to search, see. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.